Hello traders, in this video we are going to be talking about the price action report for MT4 and MT5. This EA focuses purely on price action patterns rather than lagging indicators. So let's see the claims and how it performed in my personal testing. Before we dive into all that, you can download the free Forex report for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. All right, so as you can see on the MQ5 website, the EA goes for 999 US dollars. Right, and the price action robot identifies classic candlestick patterns, supports and resistance levels, and price behavior to generate trade signals. It avoids over-optimized indicators and sticks to raw price movement logic for entries. The EA includes built-in risk management, stop losses based on recent swings, and trailing options. It's designed for multiple pairs and timeframes, with a focus on high probability setups from real price action. The developer emphasizes simplicity and the edge of trading what the market is actually doing. As for the key features, they include recognition of multiple price action patterns, dynamic support and resistance detection, risk-based loss sizing, break-even and trailing stops, and session filters. The inputs allow customization of pattern sensitivity, risk percentage, and minimum move requirements. It's positioned as a clean, no-nonsense price action EA, suitable for traders who believe in trading naked charts but want to complement their manual price action trading. Right, so you can see the key features listed here: the preferred price action, the structure focus, trend adaptive. Advanced logic ensures accurate trade execution with carefully selected entry points. Risk control, no greed or martingale. Is prop firm ready and optimized for EUR/USD and XAUSD on the 15-minute time frame. As for the trade management, the first one, we have the structure-based stop loss, where the stop loss is automatically placed on recent swing highs and lows, following real market structure instead of fixed distances. We also have the risk reward based take profits, where take profit is calculated using a predefined risk reward ratio, ensuring consistent and disciplined trade management. We have the break-even function, automatically moves stop loss to entry level after reaching a defined profit level, protecting capital. And we have the ATR trading stop, which dynamically locks in profits as the trade develops in your favor, adapting to market volatility. All right, so we have all that. We can see the backtest results from the developers testing. We see how the equity curve looks like. See how it moves in kind of like a straight line up a 45-degree angle. So it looks pretty decent performance for the EA. But does that really hold water when I pass it through my own personal backtest? Let's find out. Let's quickly move over to MT5. So I use the recommended pair, the EUR/USD, on the recommended time frame as well, M15, for a custom period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. And for an initial deposit of $10,000, I got an equity curve that looks like this. Okay, taking a closer look, you see it's actually close to what we have on the developer's website. Not really the 45-degree line we saw, but over time it actually grinds upwards. Equity curve looks nice, and the EA's performance actually looks solid. I also got the following numbers for the initial deposits of $10,000. The total net profits was over 10%, $1,101. The profit factor was 3.66, which is quite good. The balance drawdown was 0.86%. So this is actually solid performance in my opinion for the EA. It's a little bit hyped on the developers page or the MT5 page, but the results are solid as well. They look pretty nice and it seems to deliver decent gains over time. So the results were reasonable with solid risk rewards on winning trades. The pure price action approach helps avoid some indicator lag issues. Compared to indicator heavy EEs, this one feels more aligned with how price actually moves. However, success depends heavily on market conditions favoring clear patterns. Honestly, the features that matter most are pattern filters, proper risk settings, and trading on higher time frames where price action is cleaner. The simplicity is a strength. As for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, price action can be subjective and prone to false breaks. News events can invalidate patterns quickly. Local spreads affect smaller time frames. In practice, combine with manual confirmation for best results and always use stop losses. So, is it actually for? It's perfect for price action traders who want automation of their favorite setups. It's good for those who prefer clean, logical systems over complex indicators. You should probably avoid this EA if you want high win rate scalpers, dislike pattern trading, or need fully hands off with no market understanding. Overall, price action robot is a refreshing, straightforward EA that sticks to the basics. It has good potential for traders who understand price behavior. It's worth testing on demo with your preferred pairs and timeframes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to test next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description too. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.